Hi, friends and folks. It's us again. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Ocean Breeze Nuts. Today's episode is we are sailing with the neighbors, and they're gonna show us how to sail the right way. So this is gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a lot to learn. All right. Hope you'll enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe and leave your likes and comments.
Underway!
Our captain right there.
Yeah. It's a new location there.
Huh?
The babies are coming up.
Look at what they're fixing now.
Get the birds on fire.
Let's go sailing. Look at that. We didn't touch the bridge. Good job. Passing through channel, and then we'll be at the bay in a minute. Yay! Oh, there's a pelican. There. We're headed, and we're almost to the bay.
That's nice.
Eric, go on the other side and release the lines and reset them. You don't need, it's gonna be too much undoing all that. I got it. I do that. I got it.
Perpendicular to the wave. Is it undone? Yeah, just give it a grab to the right or left.
Bill, I hate to say it, we're gonna have to pull the bimini down for a minute because I need to hook the end of the boom up to the sail.
Big boat coming in.
No, it's hooked.
It's up.
It's hooked. See that line right there?
Waiting for this big boat to pass before putting up the mainsail.
Wait for this boat to pass.
Wait for the boat to pass! Eric is not wearing a life jacket up there. And this boat, we're gonna create a big wave, so we have to wait for it. We're fixing to put our sail down. And we're having some
We have to get our sail
nice
on
wave
there.
right here. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, big wave.
Hold on, Nikolai.
Plus, we gonna need to. He needs
Woo!
Hang on there. That's big wave.
to pull some slack out of us.
Oh Lord, this is a big boat.
Right.
Yeah, that's not very big. They get bigger than that.
Stop
They're not
complaining.
Watch out, you didn't even have your life jacket.
All right. So
It's my life. It's my life.
Getting ready for the mainsail to be up. Fun.
Shopping. It's my life. Money.
Raise the main. Ain't still raising. Where's the handbrake going? Bring the handbrake. Big handbrake. Let Jesse help you. Hey, I'll pull this and crank it. What's stopping us? We're bound.
Never go over there. There you go.
Get the battery too late. It's up. Secure it. Mainsail secure. Get in. We are on the sail.
What's the name of that thing?
This is a
Wrench.
winch.
Winch.
You ready to let out the jib?
Mainsail is up at this time, and coming up is the most exciting part, the tacking time. Woohoo! John right here is getting ready to tack. He's making sure that lines are loose and stuff like that, so it's getting ready to tack.
Go ahead.
And the proper response is ready to tap.
Ready.
ready to tack.
Coming about.
Coming about.
Wait for that sail to drag
All right.
on the front.
All right. What's the
Wrap
no?
around your winch handle. Good.
There it goes, and then now he's gonna make sure that that line right there is secure in that
Cross the ear.
winch handle.
Cross the ear.
Good job, baby.
Then you don't have to do anything else to it. It'll hold the side right hand.
right, time to tack.
All right,
It's
we
my
got
turn.
May tacking.
We'll see who did best.
Good job.
Good recovery.
John's trying to keep up now.
Yeah. I think she's better at it than I am.
See, that's next on the list. You have to teach her to sail, to drive
Wait.
while you do this.
Yeah, we can do that. You got time to do it.
Tell the camera what you think, May.
She's tacky.
That's for today's adventure, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and comment. And please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate y'all. Bye. Until next time. Baboosh. You're on camera. There's our captain. There's our first mate.